As part of its foundation day, the Nongkrem Youth Development Association (NYDA) had distributed certificates and startup tools were distributed to 30 successful under Skills Meghalaya and Sankalp, and also Felicitation to recipients of the Academic Excellence Award 2023. A function to the same effect was held today, the 21st of July 2023, at the Youth Cultural Centre cum Village Community Hall, Nongkrem, where the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District graced the occasion as chief guest. Others present include the Skill Development Officer Mssds Audrey M. Konglam, Weaving Inspector of the Department of Sericulture and Weaving, Aplaimon Konglam, the President of NYDA, Wanlang Milingap, General Secretary NYPA, Empower Warba, the Education Secretary of NYDA, Jopthiao Milingap, besides others.
Ini kesen complete anak kebentar kibri hanong kerapnya, dari islam kita semacam apa? Dengan ini keaiman sim, ini kita dray, kita bed, kita bahas kami jom kesemua tahu. Nama siapa ni dalam bisilu, siapa ni dalam kita niran nama apa tu kita. Nah, dong sudah lalu ikan sekolah, orang ikai, principal, lalu sekolah. But pun sebelum kita tahu kita balam, but ini baru kita